Yo guys, and welcome back towards this new video here on the channel. And on today's video I will be discussing Bitcoin and its most critical support zone that is currently trading on. So if you want to be finding out exactly where Bitcoin is heading towards from this point here, don't forget to right away slap up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell notification so you will be definitely not miss out on any of the further content that we're going to drop out here on this channel. So like you can see here, Bitcoin has been creating a very crucial support range towards the upside. And of course, we've been already seeing more than 4 touch points, and currently the 5th touch point is getting retested. If we're going to be breaking below this level, Bitcoin is going to be looking for horrible targets. But like you can currently see here, Bitcoin is so far still holding up towards the support range. But we right now still have another 1 hour and 15 minutes in this candle. And as soon as Bitcoin does close as a 4-hourly candle below this range, we're going to look at more bearish targets. As long as it's going to close within it, we're going to look at neutral targets. And of course, we're going to wait what the market is going to tell us, because there could be a potential scenario where we're going to see some more consolidation and where we could be maybe still potentially see a breakout towards the upside. Right now, we are trading in one of the most biggest triangles I've been seeing for a very, very while here. Of course, the resistance got so many touch points that's like crazy. So much significance is added on this market, what is of course pretty interesting to see. But right now, I want to be talking about my price targets, of course. Bitcoin, as soon as it does break down here, I personally expect it's going to be, first of all, visit the range low. The range low on the 4-hourly time frame is the 40.8K, and the 40.8K is, of course, already an approximately 2% move here. As soon as we are going to retest that level, I'm going to once again watch the market once again here, because if we're going to hold on towards level, it's going to be looking good. We could be potentially create a double bottom. If we're going to be then close the 4-hourly candle below the 40.8K, it basically means that we're lacking strength here, and that the continuation towards the downside is going to be way more significant. And of course, if we're going to look at a very realistic price target of this symmetrical triangle, we're going to be having an approximately 13% correction towards the upside. And of course, from the breakout point here, this could be of course a massive trade to be taking here. And of course, Bitcoin could be of course indeed go towards lower targets as soon as it does fail to hold on towards the support range, because these are one of the most important ones here. But for me to anticipate this target, I'm not only want to be seeing Bitcoin losing this green support range over here, but as well, I want to be seeing Bitcoin losing the 40.8K. If we're doing so, then I do expect Bitcoin could be seeing a further decrease in the valuation. But what I want to be saying over there here is that I will be for sure dollar cost average further in towards my positions once the market does come down further on from this point. So if the market is going to be more bearish, I will be of course buying more here, and that is going to be always my strategy right now here. Right now, a pretty positive thing that we can see right here on the market, if Bitcoin is going to come down a little bit further here, is that Bitcoin could be creating a very significant bullish divergence. We could be seeing, of course, a higher low getting formed on the RSI, and we could be seeing a significant lower low getting formed on the price section. But it only is going to be happening if the market is going to come down a little bit further on from today's candles. So yeah, that is still a little bit of a positive thing, how Bitcoin could be closing its daily candle. Right now as well, Bitcoin on the 1-hour time frame, like we predicted yesterday, did came down here, and right now is retesting the lower side of support here. Like you can see, resistance, support, and once again, we're currently retesting it as support. And if this 1-hour candle is going to close in 30 minutes from now on, going to hold on towards this range here, it is going to be looking good, and we could be still in for a potential bounce back up here. Of course, in order to be bullish, we do see this. We do have to see this top side getting broken. Like you can see, top side, a lot of significance. Like you can see over here, a lot of touch points, and of course, because we're having so much touch points, I do think the breakthrough could be, of course, also a little bit easier. But what most importantly, the breakthrough is going to be as well very significant, because we got so many touch points here. So let's witness this 1-hour candle close. If we're going to close it below, I'm going to be targeting 40.7K as well, just like the 4-hourly time frames, because that is the range low on the 1-hour time frame. And of course, yesterday we already lost some very important levels, and right now we're definitely continuing our trend towards the downside. So indeed, it's looking a little bit more dangerous, and I will be aiming for the 40.7K as soon as we're going to close this 1-hour candle below the 41.6K and the downward sloping support line of the green line here. So yeah, this was basically it for today's update video. Hopefully you did enjoy it. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.